A simple exponential problem. Root 8 is equal to 2 to the power 2x minus 4. Then the value of x is. Solution. At first, root 8 is equal to 8 power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 2x minus 4, or 8 is equal to 2 power 3 power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 2x minus 4, or 2 power 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 2x minus 4, or 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 power 2x minus 4. Then the base are equal to 2, so the exponent are equal. 2 by 3 is equal to 2x by 3, or 2x minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Formula: a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then m is equal to n. Then 2x minus 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Or here we can apply cross multiply. 2 into 2x minus 4, 2 into 2x minus 4 is equal to 3, or 4x minus 8 is equal to 3, or 4x is equal to 3 minus 8 transfer from the right side plus 8 equal to 4x is equal to 11, then x is equal to 11 by 4. So the value of the x in this problem, x is equal to 11 by 4.